Expect the unexpected, everybody. And we finally know what that means. The unexpected happened. Bowie Jane is HOH, everybody. Who saw that coming? I didn't. I really didn't. It was always like a sick little thought I would have. Wouldn't it be funny if Bowie Jane won HOH?
I be cracking myself so up. I be cracking myself.
But back up. Let's back up. So, Felicia lived to cook another week, as we thought. The flip went through. And as Mimi was exiting the house, she attempted to blow up Corey and America's game.
Corey, America, and Bowie got an alliance. They planning to target you, and you.
She basically told them, like, look, these people are running the game. They're running y'all.
And this is a shield. Then we have
to get them out the house because y'all gonna lose to Corey and America. Bye. That's not how it really went down, but that's the sentiment that Mimi gave. Okay, so now that we know that Bowie Jane is HOH, I was about to say class president. Essentially, that's what the HOH is. She's the class president of the week. However, will Bowie Jane be running her HOH, or will Corey or Jag or Cam be running the HOH?
What you gonna do, huh?
Because we know Matt's not gonna run it, and we know Sari has checked out. And she's just not even engaging since Jared got kicked to the curb. However, okay, so Bowie Jane, I did catch this, everybody. Now, I will admit, most of the time, I'm not really sitting up here watching the feeds. I'm just watching snippets and reading vlogs, blogs here and there. But last night, I had some time, and yeah. I was up in the middle of the night, and I saw a lot. I saw enough to know what's really going on. Okay, so they were all in the HOH room with Bowie Jane, watching her open up her gift basket. And, they gave her a bunch of stuff. Like, she got Vegemite. She got, like, some General Tso's chicken is what I saw. She got a lot of stuff. Who cares about all that stuff? Who cares? Who cares what was in Bowie Jane's gift basket? I was expecting her to have, like, some kangaroo jerky or some stuff. Right?
Let's go find something good to eat.
Yeah, go have fun.
Definitely. Who's eating emo?
Jeez.
Right. But who cares? What really went down is that Bowie Jane knows who she wants to put on the block already. It's like she's been waiting for this moment. She wants to put Sari and Felicia on the block.
That's why I really want to see like where your head is at, and I want to talk to Matt where his head is at. I don't know exactly.
Because obviously it's like I can make easy, but also Sari's really connected in the house, and I just don't think she doesn't trust me for whatever God knows.
With her target being Sari, because she made a mental note after she won. Sari did not even clap or wasn't happy for her to win.
Why? So I think it's dangerous for me to have her in here because, although I don't think she would talk about me,
Well,
but she's still a power person because everyone goes to feed her information, right?
People tell me things. I guess I have a face you can trust. I think it's because of my low cheekbones.
And I do it too, as in, by the way, the vote's going this way, because we all want to be in her good books.
well, what I think about is like ultimately someone like Sari
Shut up! Before I bust a cap up in your ass.
and honestly Felicia back to, remember when we were talking to Scary?
Yeah.
And you were saying, we were like, okay, what's our ideal, like, 5,
Yeah, I know.
6? And you said how me, you, Matt, and then you were like, I don't know, like...
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
You might have mentioned, like, Sari.
Yeah.
And, like...
Because I was like,
Like, Sari, because, like, she's not...
But she was not happy when I won, so I was like, what the fuck was that about?
Okay, I don't like you anyway, and you know that.
Why would she be? You already know that they don't like you. You've been saying all week and all season, like, why are they so mean to me? Why are they so mean to me?
Stop all the crying. Get your big girl pants on and play the game.
Well, Why would they be happy that you won HOH, Bowie Jane? Answer that for me, Bowie Jane. But anyhow, she wants Sari and Felicia up on that block.
So why would I want people like that in? But on the other hand, they're so beatable.
But
we're in jury.
personal. You got to think game.
Yeah.
You know, I want Felicia. She's annoying.
Yeah.
Oh, no, she didn't.
Yeah.
I feel so mean. I've been mean. I need to be nice again. It's like,
Oh, she's not perfect. She's
Felicia
not
isn't going to
perfect.
beat me in a physical comp or a veto comp.
Yeah.
But the guys have other plans.
From what I feel, other people feel, if Cam in 1 week or 2 weeks is still here, he's going to start taking shots at.
Now, the guys had a discussion in the later on in the evening or in the early morning that, you know, they were mad that Corey was trying to run the game and he's so dumb. This is primarily Jag speaking. He's not smart. They think they're so smart. He's not smart. He has us doing his dirty work. Well, if Corey has you doing his dirty work, then he's definitely smarter than you, Jag.
Y'all know Corey, America, and Bowie got an alliance. They planning to target you, and you, and they're gonna try to use you to do their bidding.
And because you were doing his dirty work. So meanwhile, Corey, who does think he's smart, he's so smug and so but Corey really does think he's running the game. And so he was, you know, trying to like, you know, touch base with, you know, Matt just to see where their head was, you know, and just, you know, giving all his points as to why Felicia and Sari were not the best. Or
Look, I think it has to be. But the thing is, the only person who's not convinced is Jag. So I want to talk including Cam. Or that's blocked. For Cam to not want Blue on the block. Because last week, we were all targeting Blue, including Cam.
Right.
Or that's what you
said. Right. So, yeah, I think we push.
Look, I think it has to be. But the thing is, the only person who's not convinced is Jag. So I want to talk to him tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because he seems uneasy about it. But like,
I know.
Man, I got mind control over Debo.
I'm going to talk to him tomorrow.
I know.
But I think that's...
This is a perfect world, but I'm like, but then we just put out we, and then what? Like, we're still going to have to deal with the issues the next week.
Like, what's important is not keeping everything perfect. It's just getting both of them out.
Immediately.
I know, that's
Unity. And the way to get one of them out guaranteed is both of them up.
Yeah.
And then hopefully it's Cameron, and the next one we go after is the next one.
I know. It's gotta be both.
So the thing is, I just need to...
Bowie feels.
The main thing is
Bowie gonna want to make a big move?
I think with the four of us backing she'll do it. But we just need to make sure that Jag's on board, because these meetings might start tomorrow morning.
His meeting? All the meetings. I know.
Yeah. And so Jag's plan is a little bit different. Oh, my thing is we need to not put up two strong players because then they'll play veto. And the funny thing is, if Miss Felicia plays in, you know, it's like they're not real threats. Sari and Felicia playing in this veto, which is supposed to be OTEP, they have no chance. We know Felicia's going to be fumbling and bumbling and sliding down and screaming, Mr. B, why you do this to me, Mr. B?
Whoa! Damn!
That's what Felicia's going to be doing. It's going to be a whole spectacle, a whole mammy spectacle that they're going to do with Felicia. And they're going to have this whole package of her cuts, her sliding up and sliding down, sliding up, sliding down. It's going to be a whole scene. And guess what? A little bit later on in the evening, Felicia and Sari were doing what they do, talking ish about Bowie Jane.
Get your ass up and cook.
And, you know, Sari expressed that basically, you know, I can't connect with somebody who's, you know, fake. Sari, excuse me, your whole time in the house has been fake. You've been hiding that your son was in the house. That's been fake. But, I mean, I get what she's saying. Like, Bowie Jane is lying about her age, and they were talking about Bowie Jane's package and, like, pictures. Like, she couldn't remember any dates. Like, oh, this was this and that. Like, Bowie Jane, you were, like, at least 43, 44, which is true because Bowie Jane just turned 46. So, it's like, girl, don't lie to me. Like, Cerie's like, my son is 34 years old, and you ain't no damn 34 years old. So, Jag really wants to run the game. He really thinks he has influence in the game right now. And he's like going everywhere, pointing out giving his points and his ideas and just talking everybody's ear off. It's like, can somebody flip on Jag and get him out finally? I am so tired of hearing him talk.
Loser!
Like, he is so thirsty for control. He just wants to be a leader. And Jag, guess what? I'm sorry. Everybody's not a leader, and you're not.
Little girl.
Are you cool with Bowie Jane being HOH? Will they bulldoze Bowie Jane as HOH? Is this going to be really a fun HOH? Is it going to be chaotic? I can't wait. Drop it to the comments and let me know your thoughts. Like and subscribe.